So Tyler has had this MR2 for, I don't know, maybe 2 years now. He drove it for a little while. The fuel pump stopped working in it. We're gonna get it, bring it back to the shop, and pull the fuel tank out, put a new fuel pump in it, and check it out, get it back ready for the road. I'll just get it right there. And
Such a pretty, look at this beautiful car. Beautiful car.
Love her so much, why don't you marry her?
Now you just have to take everything apart to do anything to it.
I feel like that's what goes with the territory in the sports car.
Nah, not this bad.
Let me ask you a question. You think a Ferrari would be any easier?
Yeah, somebody's been up doing it. That's what they did. Just loose. They just left it loose. Somebody definitely put a pump in it. They definitely put a cheap pump, I'm sure. Once we get in there, we'll see what they did. Watch the wire just be loose and it'd be a good Denso pump. How stupid is that gonna be? Dude, I'm gonna get it right here in your throat while you're under the Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh. Oh my. I think you found the culprit.
It's time for a coffee break.
They don't look too hot.
Tell the audience how they can get their nice, cool Super Freestyle shirt.
SuperFreestyle.bigcartel.com.
And you too can have a cool hatchet shirt.
Does it have a hatchet on it?
No, it just is a cool shirt to do hatcheting work in. Nasty.
It's not that bad.
We're gonna go ahead and clean this one.
Yeah. Well, obviously at this point, yeah. So if you know where a new OEM SW20 fuel tank is, we're willing to pay what it would cost.
Yep.
So hit us up. All right, I'm going to, in an environmentally friendly way, go get rid of the gas that's in this thing.
All right. Oh, look at the camera. It just happened to be pointing over here. What's over here? I don't know what's over here. Just some stuff. Oh, look, the sky. It's got some nice clouds out. I wonder what that, oh look, there's a tree over there. That's interesting.
Nothing to see here.
Thank you for showing.
Filling up with some fresh hydrogen.
Some H2O?
Yeah. Why can't we? I mean, we're smart.
Right. I mean, like, is it hard?
No, sure it's not. No, it's just math and stuff, you know.
Right.
So just to be on the safe side, I'm putting water in it and I'm gonna dump it to kind of pre-rinse all the gas, because I don't know that gas and muriatic acid are a good
Combination.
I didn't go to school for any of that kind of stuff, but I just don't think that it's going to be a good
But you did stay in a Holiday Inn.
Stay smart. Stay at a Holiday Inn Express.
The part last time where I used my eyeball to put the acid in the tank, and we're going to not do that this time.
Because you like your eyeballs.
Yeah, and I thought I might not have one after last time. It was a horrible experience.
Jeff thought he was going to become a pirate.
Arr, matey.
Definitely wear eye protection when you do this, people, just like I am.
And gloves.
Mm-hmm. And a mask.
Yeah. And pants.
Closed-toed shoes would be good.
Yeah.
Good idea.
Yeah. There you go.
So deep in the night, headlights flash against the wall. I
up. Just gonna do.
Swear I'll be brave. Hands may need a favor. Get in there. Purpose be my savior. So I can be somebody.
What?
My fingers just don't fold that way.
Maybe you're using the wrong hand? You're using the left hand?
I can't.
Why?
Because it's like
Oh, yeah, that's right. Taking people out of his yard. That's all Jeff cares about. At the moment.
We are currently experiencing technical difficulties. Please stand by.
How stupid would it be if we got all this trouble over a Denso pump and got a bad Denso pump out of the box?
Don't say that.
And we've had it too long to send it back too, so.
So, should I wiggle that thing?
Well, what's going on then? Like I said, I've done a really good job of going all the way back to where I started. So literally these pins and this plunge were too spread.
Oh. For the second time in one day.
The next day.
All right, so took a few days of working with the gas tank, soaking it in acid to get it cleaned. We had to wait on a new filler hose from Toyota anyway. But in the meantime, I went ahead and put the tank back in and tried to crank the car, and it still wasn't getting fuel. So I had to pull the tank right back out and take the pump out of the tank, and come to find out the plug that plugs into the pump, which was brand new also, wasn't making a good connection on the inside there, and I had to like bend the tabs and put it back together and like literally do this job twice. But we got it back together. We've already tested the car. It cranks and runs. We're gonna put this hose on and get all the heat shields on and get this thing finished up. So yeah, look how soft it is.
Oh yes.
Honestly, if I had an MR2, yeah, this one is like, where's the brake? Right there. It's not even. If I had an MR2 and I was putting a pump in it, I would probably just order one of these too.
Anyway, yeah. And not put tape around it, like I've seen many times on the internet people do.
Right. Oh, look, it says tank for the end that goes to the tank.
Oh, that's special.
It's hilarious. It's a good thing we could get it new, because if it was used, I'd have had to break it to get it back in there or pull the tank back out.
It's your best friend underneath the car.
They took the bracket off that holds the plastic shield. I guess it holds the plastic shield, does it? Oh.
What?
NVM. I left that one loose to remind me it goes on the bracket. I didn't want to lose the bracket, so I stuck the bracket and the bolt back up to the hole, but it goes on after the plastic.
So I'm gonna go back to when you made the comment, and I was like, yeah, I wonder who was in here last. That was you. Because you've been underneath that car so many times.
Well, that's why I was like, what's going on? Because I thought that I had already fixed all the loose bolts. But I did. It was just this one. It was a reminder. Alright guys, we got it done. As you can see, Tyler's got these fancy wheels that he ordered. We went ahead and put them on there too. That's it for this video. Yeah, we're gonna go take this thing back to him. See you next time.